Now we will discuss the rule of the first woman ruler, the third important ruler of slave dynasty, Razia Sultana. She was born in 1205 as Al-Tutmash's daughter. She was given a very sound education by her father, and she was the first and the last Muslim woman to rule the Delhi Sultanate. She was given the title of Razia al-Din, whereas her name was Razia Sultana. Before ascending the throne of Delhi, after the father's death, the reign was given to his brother Ruknuddin Firoz, but Ruknuddin Firoz was assassinated just after 6 months of his ascendancy, like when he became the ruler. When he ascended the throne of Al-Tutmash, he was murdered after 6 months. And Razia Sultana was known as efficient and a just ruler, and she married Malik al-Tunia, the governor of Batinda, and she was killed by the nobles of her brothers, and she was a very capable ruler of the slave dynasty. Now coming to the last ruler, Ghiyasuddin Balban, considered to be the last ruler of slave dynasty. Ghiyasuddin Balban, he ruled after Razia Sultana, and he is the 9th important Mamluk head in the Mamluk dynasty. He was the Wazir of the grandson Nasiruddin Mahmud of Al-Tutmash. Nasiruddin Mahmud was the grandson, like grandson का मतलब पोता, यानी नासिरुद्दीन महमूद जो है वो अल-तुतमश का पोता जो है वो था. And it is also said that Ghiyasuddin Balban was also a Turk's slave, and his original name was Bahauddin, and he adopted the title of Ghiyasuddin Balban when he ascended to the throne. And he also was a slave, and he was purchased, he was bought by Al-Tutmash, and due to his आप कह लें कि due to his ability, due to his administrative abilities, due to his bravery, he rose up to the ranks quickly. He carried out a lot of successful military campaigns as a military officer. And after Nasiruddin Mahmud's death, he declared himself as the Sultan, as the former did not have any male heirs. It means कि Nasiruddin Mahmud जो है उसका कोई जो है वो बेटा नहीं था और वारिस नहीं था, तो बलबन जो है he became the head of the slave dynasty. It is said that he was a very strict ruler, and his court was the symbol of austerity and strict obedience. यानी वो तो किसी को जो है वो डिसोबे करने के ऊपर या जो है वो कोई भी गलत बात जो है वो कभी जो है वो उसने बर्दाश्त नहीं की. He even demanded that the people prostrate before the king, like he wanted the people to bow in front of the king. और मतलब मुतलकुल अनानी जो है ना बेटा, वो बलबन के साथ बहुत रिलेट की जाती है कि he wanted to become a very superior leader, and he laid out severe punishment to the slightest offenses by his courtiers. यानी किसी से जरा सी भी गलती हो जाती तो ये उसको सख्त सजाएं जो है वो देता. And he had a spy system to keep his nobles in check. He introduced the Persian festival of Nowruz, and he divided a lot. He kept on changing the Punjab province on a very larger scale during his 20 years rule. After his death, his grandson Kakabad succeeded him at the throne of Delhi, and he was sent away by Khalji dynasty, and Khalji dynasty took over the throne after Ghiyasuddin Balban. So this was a very minor introduction of all the rulers which we are going to study in detail in the Mamluk dynasty.